What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best wireless mouse that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Logitech M720 Triathlon is a premium mouse designed to deliver precision, comfort, and versatility for various computing needs. With dimensions of 4.53 inches in height, 2.91 inches in width, and 1.78 inches in depth, and a weight of 135 grams with batteries, the mouse is compact and portable. Equipped with a high-precision optical tracking sensor, the M720 Triathlon boasts a DPI range of 1000, ensuring accurate and responsive cursor movement. Its 8 programmable buttons, including a hyper-fast scrolling wheel, offer customizable options to streamline tasks. Connectivity is a highlight, as the mouse supports both Bluetooth wireless technology and the Logitech unifying receiver, enabling seamless connection to multiple devices. This multi-device capability extends to compatibility with Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, Linux, and iPadOS, making it a versatile choice for users across different platforms. The M720 Triathlon's impressive battery life of up to 2 years minimizes the need for frequent battery changes. The mouse's ergonomic design, featuring a comfortable shape and a thumb rest, enhances user comfort during prolonged use. A standout feature is the ability to switch effortlessly between 3 computers with the touch of a button, catering to users managing multiple devices simultaneously. Whether used in the office or for everyday tasks, the Logitech M720 Triathlon offers a reliable and comfortable solution with its ergonomic design, customizable features, and broad compatibility. The Logitech G502X Lightspeed stands out as a wireless gaming mouse designed to meet the demands of high-performance gaming. With dimensions of 5.17 inches in height, 1.62 inches in width, and 3.12 inches in depth, the mouse is both sleek and ergonomic, weighing 102 grams in black and 101.5 grams in white. Featuring the Hero 2 optical sensor, the G502X Lightspeed offers precise tracking with a wide DPI range of 100 to 25,600. The mouse's 13 programmable buttons, including a hyper-fast scrolling wheel, provide gamers with extensive customization options to tailor the device to their specific gaming needs. Connectivity options include Lightspeed wireless technology or the included wireless USB-A receiver, offering a reliable connection with a wireless range of up to 10 meters. The mouse boasts an impressive battery life of up to 130 hours of continuous motion with RGB lighting off, ensuring extended gaming sessions without interruption. Compatible with Logitech G Hub software, users can further customize the mouse's settings to enhance their gaming experience. Positioned as a worthy upgrade to its predecessor, the G502X Lightspeed competes with higher-priced models like the Razer V3 Basilisk Pro and Corsair Sabre RGB Pro, making it an appealing choice for gamers seeking a high-performance wireless gaming mouse with advanced features. The Razer Pro Click Mini is a compact wireless mouse designed with productivity and portability in mind. With dimensions of 3.9 by 2.5 by 1.3 inches, and a weight of 3.1 ounces with 1 AA battery or 3.9 ounces with 2 AA batteries, it offers a lightweight and compact solution for on-the-go use. Equipped with a Razer 5G optical sensor, the Pro Click Mini delivers precise tracking with a maximum DPI of 12,000. Its connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.0 and a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, allowing the mouse to connect to up to 4 devices simultaneously, enhancing flexibility in a multi-device setup. The mouse features 7 programmable buttons, including a 5-way scroll wheel with 2 different scrolling styles, providing users with customizable options to streamline their workflow. The Pro Click Mini boasts an impressive battery life of up to 725 hours with a Bluetooth connection and up to 465 hours with the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, ensuring long-lasting use between battery changes. Designed with an ambidextrous shape, a low profile, and a matte white plastic shell, the ProClick Mini offers comfort and style. Whether for office use or on-the-go productivity tasks, the Razer ProClick Mini stands out as a well-built, portable mouse with versatile wireless connectivity and programmable features, making it an excellent choice for users seeking a reliable and compact mouse for their daily work. The Logitech MX Vertical is a cutting-edge ergonomic mouse meticulously crafted to prioritize user comfort and support. Measuring 4.72 inches in height, 3.11 inches in width, and 3.09 inches in depth, and weighing 135 grams, this mouse showcases a commitment to ergonomic excellence. The MX Vertical's standout feature is its unique 57 degrees vertical angle, encouraging a natural handshake position and mitigating muscle strain during extended use. Its high-precision 4000 dpi optical sensor ensures accurate tracking and smooth cursor movement, enhancing overall user experience. Connectivity options include the Logitech Unifying USB receiver or Bluetooth, offering a wireless range of up to 10 meters. The mouse's functionality is further enhanced by a scroll wheel and 8 programmable buttons, customizable through Logitech Options software to align with individual preferences and tasks. With a built-in 240 mAh lithium polymer battery, the MX Vertical boasts an impressive battery life of up to 4 months on a full charge. Additionally, a quick 1-minute charge can provide up to 3 hours of use, emphasizing its convenience and efficiency. The Logitech MX Vertical is an optimal choice for those seeking a mouse that seamlessly blends comfort with high performance. Whether utilized in the office or for casual gaming, its innovative design and advanced sensor technology make it a top-tier selection for users prioritizing both ergonomic support and customizable features. The Logitech MX Master 3S stands as a premium wireless mouse, meticulously crafted to deliver top-notch productivity and comfort. With dimensions of 3.3 by 2 by 4.9 inches and a weight of 141 grams, it strikes a balance between form and functionality. The MX Master 3S boasts an ergonomic sculpted design that ensures a comfortable and secure grip. With a thoughtfully designed thumb rest and a slight indent for the pinky finger, the mouse is engineered for prolonged usage without causing discomfort. Equipped with Logitech's dark-field high-precision sensor, the MX Master 3S offers exceptional tracking capabilities with a maximum DPI of 8000. This ensures precise cursor control, catering to the needs of professionals and students engaged in detailed tasks. Connectivity options are diverse, with the ability to connect to up to 3 devices simultaneously using the Logitech dongle or Bluetooth LE. The mouse features 7 programmable buttons, including a versatile scroll wheel with 2 different scrolling styles, providing users with customization options to streamline their workflow. The built-in 240 mAh lithium polymer battery is a standout feature, offering an impressive battery life of up to 70 days. With USB-C charging, the MX Master 3S not only excels in comfort and performance, but also in long-term convenience. Whether used in the office or for productivity tasks, the Logitech MX Master 3S emerges as an exceptional choice, combining ergonomic design, high-precision sensor technology, and customizable features for a seamless user experience.